So we're going to find the domain of this function, and one thing we can do for domain is we can plot it to see what is going on. And I wanted to plot this one because notice how I have to use the parentheses to separate my numerator from my denominator, because the calculator will do order of operations. So we'll plot that in a standard window, and when you see something like this where the graph blows up, we'll see later this semester it's called an asymptote. That kind of tells us there's an issue with the domain. Somewhere in between 0 and 1 it looks like. Now we may not get it exactly from the calculator. You could zoom in and try and estimate it, but let's do it right from the function. We know we can't divide by 0, so this is what's going to cause an issue with our domain. Essentially that 5x minus 2 cannot be 0, and then we'll solve this for x. So 5x cannot equal 2, add 2 to both sides, divide by 5, and we get x that cannot equal 2/5, which appears to match what we have graphically. Now we're asked to put this in interval notation. That means we want to give all the points that we can include, not just talk about the one we can't. Well, we can go from negative infinity all the way up to that point, which is 2/5. We do not want to include it, so it gets a parenthesis. And then we're going to start again at 2/5. Again, a parenthesis means it's not included. To infinity. And we'll union those together with a big giant U. And so what this is saying is we're going from negative infinity to infinity, but we're not including 2/5. This is how we would write it in interval notation.